Welcome to Taiba Kids! Hey baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Swim along and have some fun. Mama shark, do 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 do. Mama shark, do 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 do. Mama shark, do 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 do. Swishing through the ocean blue. Papa shark, do 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 do. Papa shark, do 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 do. Papa shark, do 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 do. Big and strong and friendly too. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Smiling bright with gentle care. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Waving fins in the ocean air. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Swimming fast and playing chase. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Splash and hide in ocean space. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Happy sharks all in the day. Thanks for watching Taiba Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe.